In this video, let's see another numerical problem which was asked in the CBSE previous year examination of the year 2002. It was based on some miscellaneous concepts of continuity. Let's see that problem. The question says discuss continuity of the function which is given by fx. There are again two categories of it. X less than 0 is one function, x greater than and equal to 0 is another function. So you have to discuss the continuity. Discussing the continuity means you have to tell whether the function is continuous or not, where and all it is continuous, and if not continuous, where it is not continuous. So instead of seeing this function split into two categories, let's see this split into three categories. The first category being what? The first category being x less than 0. X less than 0 to the left hand side of 0. The second category being x equal to 0. The third category being x greater than 0. So the third category being x greater than 0 to the right hand side of 0. Now we have to check and discuss the continuity. Let's write the heading as solution and let's start with the solution. Now what about when x is less than 0? You see, when x is less than 0, I just put the heading when x is less than 0, we have the function 2x minus 1. When x is less than 0, fx is equal to 2x minus 1, and it is what kind of a function? It is a polynomial function. You know that 2x minus 1 will be taken as a polynomial function, and a polynomial function is always continuous. We have studied in the subtopic of always continuous functions that polynomial function, constant function, identity function, these are always continuous. So since fx is equal to 2x minus 1, which is a polynomial function, it is continuous. So there is no problem when x is less than 0. Let's see what happens when x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0. So this is the first heading, this is the second heading. When x is greater than 0. When x is greater than 0, I say that I have 2x plus 1 as the function, and when x is greater than 0, fx is equal to 2x plus 1. Now what kind of a function is 2x plus 1? It is again a polynomial function. I write in very short polynomial FNC, FNC means function. Now since it is again a polynomial function, that means what? It will be also always continuous. So I say that yes, when x is less than 0, we have a continuous function. When x is greater than 0, again we have a continuous function. Let's check the continuity. So let's check it at, checking at the junction point or the boundaries when defined. Let's check at the exact value x is equal to 0. Check at x is equal to 0. What is LHL at x is equal to 0? LHL at x is equal to 0 will be taken as what? It will be taken as fx limit x tends to 0 negative because it is less than 0. Now how to substitute the value? What is the value of the function when less than 0 exists for x? Less than 0 when exists, it is 2x minus 1. Less than 0 when exists, it is 2x minus 1. So you can either go with the h criteria, limit h tends to 0, or simply go with the direct substitution because already the function is split. So you can just write 2x minus 1 where you can substitute the value of x as 0. So it becomes minus 1 because 2 zeros are 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. What about RHL? RHL at x is equal to 0. It means you have to basically go for limit x tends to 0 positive for fx. Now if x tends to 0 positive and you have fx, again you can go with a direct substitution. Direct substitution means the function would be 2x plus 1. Simply put 0 for 2x plus 1. 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. The third would be checking at x is equal to 0 as such. But f of 0 is not needed because here only we say that LHL and RHL are not equal. And for continuity, the criteria should be that LHL should be equal to RHL should be equal to the value of the function. The value of the function is something that we have to think over later. But even LHL and RHL are not equal. Since LHL and RHL are not equal, I say that my function is not continuous. Function, in short, I tell you always, I write f and c. My function is not continuous at x is equal to 0, because the left hand limit, the right hand limit, you see that I took the left hand limit, I took the right hand limit, they both are not equal, they both are unequal.